choosing the right mirrorless camera can significantly enhance your photography and videography experience. This guide breaks down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras, catering to various needs and skill levels. Sony A7 IV stands out as an exceptional full-frame hybrid mirrorless camera, offering superior capabilities for both stills and video. Its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, coupled with the Bion's XR image processor, captures scenes with remarkable clarity and detail. The camera excels in various lighting conditions thanks to its expanded ISO range. The real-time eye autofocus is particularly impressive for portrait photography. For video enthusiasts, the A7 Mark IV offers 4K 60p recording with stunning clarity and smooth motion. Advanced features like 10-bit 4x2x2 color depth and S-Log3 provide extensive possibilities for color grading and post-production work. The S-Cinetone color profile is also notable, praised by many professionals for its cinematic look. The camera's connectivity features, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C tethering, streamline workflow and file transfer. However, battery life is limited to 10 to 12 hours with 2 batteries, so extra batteries are recommended for extended shooting sessions. The Canon EOS R5 is a powerhouse for video production, setting new benchmarks in visual storytelling. At its core is a high-resolution full-frame sensor paired with a Digic X image processor, delivering extraordinary detail and dynamic range in both stills and video. Truly shines in its video capabilities. It offers groundbreaking 8K RAW video recording at up to 30 frames per second, providing unparalleled detail and creative flexibility in post-production. The 4K 120fps mode is excellent for slow-motion footage, capturing scenes with smooth cinematic quality. Canon's renowned color science offers natural, vibrant colors straight out of the camera. The autofocus system of the R5 is revolutionary, equipped with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering nearly 100% of the image area with 1053 automatically selectable AF zones. The eye, face, and animal detection autofocus are particularly noteworthy, locking onto subjects with precision and consistency. Ergonomically, the EOS R5 is thoughtfully designed with intuitive controls. Its weather sealing enhances reliability, ensuring performance in various environments from indoor studios to outdoor adventures. The Canon EOS R50 is an ideal mirrorless camera for beginners, blending ease of use with impressive performance. It serves as a gateway to photography, offering budding photographers an accessible yet powerful tool to explore their creativity. Despite its beginner-friendly design, it doesn't compromise on performance. The R50 user-friendly interface makes it incredibly approachable for newcomers. It features a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor coupled with Canon's Digic processor, ensuring sharp, detailed images and commendable performance in various lighting conditions. The autofocus system of the R50 is a standout feature, incorporating technology typically found in more advanced models. It offers fast and accurate focusing with face and eye detection autofocus that works remarkably well for portraits. For those interested in video, the R50 supports 4K video recording, allowing new photographers to experiment with high-quality video content. The combination of 4K and a vari-angle touchscreen make the R50 an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators. Ergonomically, the EOS R50 is compact and lightweight, yet comfortable to hold. Connectivity features including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable easy sharing of images and videos to smartphones. The Fujifilm X-H2S is a serious contender in the mirrorless camera market, tailored for photographers and videographers seeking speed, performance, and reliability. Its robust feature set and intuitive design make it a top choice for a wide range of shooting styles. X-H2S is its high-speed performance. Its 26.1-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HS sensor combined with the X processor 5 delivers rapid readout speeds, significantly reducing rolling shutter effects. The camera excels in capturing fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and action photography. The autofocus system in the X-H2S utilizes an advanced algorithm with improved face and eye detection, ensuring sharp focus even in challenging situations. The 425-point autofocus system covers a wide area of the frame, providing consistent and precise focusing capabilities. Fujifilm's renowned color science is vividly showcased in the X-H2S, offering a wide range of film simulation modes. Videographers will appreciate its extensive video capabilities, supporting 6.2K 30fps and 4K 120fps video recording, enabling high-resolution slow-motion footage. One feature that sets this camera apart is its advanced heat dissipation system, allowing for prolonged video recording sessions without overheating concerns. The Sony Alpha 7R Mark V sets a new standard for image quality and resolution in digital cameras. This powerhouse is ideal for photographers who demand the utmost in detail and clarity, making it an exceptional tool for a wide range of photographic genres. At the heart of the Alpha 7R Mark V is its staggering 61-megapixel full-frame X-H2S CMOS sensor, the highest resolution in Sony's full-frame lineup. This sensor captures images with unparalleled detail and texture, perfect for landscape, studio work, and any scenario where image detail is paramount. The advanced Bionz XR image processor complements the camera's sensor, ensuring swift image processing and enhanced color accuracy. The camera's autofocus system is a marvel of technology, with 567 phase detection autofocus points and 425 contrast autofocus points covering a significant portion of the sensor, offering lightning-fast and highly accurate focus. Unique to the Alpha 7R Mark V is its high-resolution electronic viewfinder, which offers a stunning 5.76 million dot resolution. This EVF provides a clear, bright view of the scene, allowing photographers to compose their shots with great precision. The camera also excels in connectivity and workflow enhancements. It offers dual EOS-2 SD card slots for efficient file management and backup. Additionally, its USB Type-C port allows for fast data transfer and in-field charging, a convenient feature for photographers on the move. In conclusion, these 5 mirrorless cameras represent the best options for various photography and videography needs. From the versatile Sony A7 Mark V to the video powerhouse Canon EOS R5, the beginner-friendly Canon EOS R50, the all-rounder Fujifilm X-H2S, and the high-resolution Marvel Sony Alpha 7R Mark V, there's a camera to suit every style and skill level. When choosing your camera, consider your specific needs, budget, and the types of photography or videography you plan to pursue. Remember that the best camera is ultimately the one that helps you capture your vision and tell your story effectively. Which camera you like most? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.